Talking about the most prominent question, why are soft skills important in today's world? I would first like to talk about people commonly know only about one type of soft skills, the soft skills which are about portraying yourself as a better person. These kinds of soft skills help you project your technical skills in a better way in front of people. Examples of such commonly known soft skills are communication skills, presentation skills, public speaking, effective writing, or general management skills like planning, prioritizing, time management, or strategic thinking. But these are only one type of commonly known soft skills. Perhaps there is totally another set of soft skills which are not very commonly known to people, which we really need in today's world. Such kind of soft skills will make you become a better person and kind of person everybody wants to be around. Now, for example, such kind of soft skills could be value setting. Value setting, most of the times we see in the companies being done wrong. Employees are taught to give more importance to sales in the cash register than actual customers. Or example of such kind of soft skills could be empathy. We see a lot of times company ruthlessly firing the employees which are not performing really well. Or more examples of such kind of soft skills could be emotional intelligence, attitude and motivation, or perception management, mindfulness, or it could be work-life balance. Now, when somebody has command over these kind of soft skills, it makes that person a better person. There has to be a reason why someone goes to work, and that reason cannot be salary. People need to have different reasons to go to work, and those reasons should look something like belongingness. They go to work because they feel that they belong there. They feel that they're appreciated and they're loved. They go there because they have found another family to turn up to. And creating this kind of environment inside the company takes a lot of skill building in the employees. Employees do have to create this kind of environment in the company with their consistent behavior towards each other. So it is very important that these skills are given importance. These types of skills can be slowly imparted with the help of trainings in the employees of the company, may it be lower level management, middle level management, or upper level management. And we at Catalyst are absolutely determined to bring this effect and culture to the companies we are associating with.